everyone, welcome to another episode of the Ask Amity show. Today, we want to talk about what, if anything, do you need to do when your spouse passes away when it comes to your assets?
So the first step we would advise is to look to see if there was an estate plan. So if you and your spouse had a living trust written, or if your spouse had a will drafted, then you would look into those documents to determine what steps may need to be taken.
If there was no estate plan drafted, then the next step would be to look into your assets, review your assets, determine what assets are under the name of your spouse. This may include bank accounts in your spouse's name, or even assets you and your spouse held jointly. For assets that were only in the name of your spouse, determine if there was a named beneficiary. For example, life insurance policy of your spouse may name a beneficiary. If that is the case, then the beneficiary can contact the life insurance company to retrieve the life insurance payout.
And if there was a real property titled with you and your spouse jointly, take a look at the deed to determine if there was what we call right of survivorship on the title. This can include language such as husband and wife with right of survivorship, or community property with right of survivorship, or as joint tenants. If those words were on the deed, then as a surviving spouse, you will be able to inherit your deceased spouse's share without the need to go through probate proceedings.
If there was no estate plan, assets did not have named beneficiaries, and there was no right of survivorship language for your real properties, then you will most likely need to go through probate proceedings to inherit your spouse's assets.
Thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions concerning estate planning or probate, feel free to give us a call at Amity Law Group. We'd be happy to help. Until next time.